Most homeowners have no idea how many weird, surprising, and honestly crazy things that can affect their roof. Today I'm sharing 7 roofing facts that most people never hear, but absolutely should. Hey, I'm Richard with Camel City Roofing. First thing I want us to talk about is fact number 1. Lifetime shingles, they don't really mean lifetime. So let's start with this one. Architectural shingles are marketed as lifetime shingles. Now it doesn't mean they last forever. It just means they're supposedly protected for a long time. How long a roof actually performs still comes down to climate, the ventilation, and installation quality. That's why I make sure you choose the right system, choose the right warranty, because all of that matters. Peace of mind is everything when it comes to your roof. Now, speaking of heat and protection, fact number 2. Did you know your attic can reach 130 to 150 degrees? It can hit that temperature a lot of times here in the summer in North Carolina. When that heat has nowhere to go, it just bakes the roof from the underside. That's why having proper ventilation is not an extra item. It's a critical item for your roof system. Think of your attic like your lungs. It has to breathe or everything breaks down faster. And believe it or not, the attic shows us even more. Did you know, with fact number 3, most roof problems start in the attic. Homeowners assume leaks just start on top of the shingles. But actually a huge percentage of roof problems could start in your attic, specifically from trapped moisture, from bathroom vents, just dumping humid air, or even insulation blocking some airflow. That's why when we come out to inspect your roof, we'll always check both sides, top and the bottom. Now let's talk about another problem that has nothing to do with the weather. Fact number 4. Squirrels cause more damage than some storms. Believe it or not, squirrels cause a surprising amount of roof damage. I know we all blame hail and wind, that's the easy thing to blame. But one determined squirrel can chew right through a shingle. They can chew through deck boards. I've even seen them just eat pipe boots down to the base where you don't even, looks like the roofers previously never even installed a pipe boot. Now, cute face, terrible life decision. So if you ever hear scratching in your attic, it's not a ghost. It's a roofer's future invoice to you. Next up, something every homeowner forgets about until it's too late. Fact number 5. Clogged gutters can damage your roof. Gutters aren't technically part of the roof system, but your roof probably wishes they were, because clogged gutters cause water to back up under the shingles, which can rot the eaves and the soffits. Simple gutter cleaning can save you thousands in wood repairs. I know it's not exciting, but it's very real. Now here's a quick science moment. Fact number 6. Roofs don't necessarily wear out, they dry out. Roofs don't really wear out, they dry out, you say? Well, UV rays and heat slowly break down the asphalt and the shingles, causing them to become brittle, they curl up, and they crack. So basically your shingles go from a very flexible product to cornflakes. Just crispy, and you take it and they just snap. So once that happens, it's easy for water to get in and your roof is basically done. So, and finally, this one shocks people the most. Fact number 7. 1 inch can be the difference between dry and disaster. Nail placement does matter when you're installing shingles. Every shingle has a specific nail zone that the manufacturer recommends that the nails be installed. So if the nails are too high, too low, angled, or overdriven, leaks could possibly be coming. So it can literally be an inch or 2 one way, up or down, side to side, that decides whether your roof stays dry or fails early. Those are 7 kind of crazy roofing facts most homeowners never hear. So if you like learning the truth without the nonsense, follow us for more. And if you want real peace of mind for your own roof here in the Triad, visit us at camelcityroofing.com. We'll take care of you the right way.